Guardianship bond. What is it? How do you get one? And how much does it cost? What is a guardianship bond? It is a type of probate bond that a court may require if you have been appointed the legal guardian of another individual, typically a minor or someone who is disabled and cannot handle their finances. If the guardian abuses or mismanages the finances of the other person, then a claim will be filed against that bond. In a nutshell, guardianship bonds ensure that an appointed guardian acts in the best interest of the person whom they have guardianship. Who can be considered as a legal guardian? A guardian can be any qualified adult and does not have to be related to the beneficiary or ward. In most cases, these beneficiaries or wards can choose their own guardians once they prove suitable to be willing to serve and to make decisions on their behalf. How would you know if you need to get a guardianship bond? The court will appoint a guardian after evidence has proved that the beneficiary or ward is not capable of making well-informed decisions on their behalf. The court will notify you if a guardianship bond is required, whether you are voluntarily or involuntarily appointed a guardian. What are some of the decisions that a guardian can make on behalf of their beneficiaries or wards? Some of these decisions may include, but are not limited to, keep estate assets separate, determine a suitable place where the beneficiary will reside, meet the medical needs of the beneficiary, keep accurate records of each financial transaction you make on behalf of the beneficiary, make prudent investments, comply with all state and local laws as specified in the probate code. Why is getting a bond for guardianship important? Guardianship bond assures the court that the guardian is highly capable of exercising proper conduct in the legal custody of their beneficiary's belongings and finances. What are the guardianship bond requirements? 1. Completed application form. 2. Financial statements. 3. Copy of the official order or ruling by the court. The bottom line is that the underwriter needs to see that the applicant has the maturity, capacity, and experience to properly manage the funds. How much does a guardianship bond cost? The amount of the guardianship bond will determine the cost of the bond. The court will set the amount of the surety bond that is required for guardianship. This is often based on the finances and assets of the ward. The cost is typically between 0.5% and 1.5% of the amount set by the court for the surety bond. Want to know more about guardianship bonds and how to get one? Call Surety Bond Authority at 800-333-7800 and get your free quote today.